Hello, I'm Ijoko James, live at Abule Ijoko, Lemode, part of Ogun State, and we are here for the long-awaited Ijoko Project. Ijoko Project is a community project by Rubies Technologies to train kids and teens in this remote part of Nigeria with technological skills. So we are going to be training them for a week, starting from the 15th of August today to Saturday 20th of August. So these kids are going to be learning the basics of computer, to use the computer, basics of computer programming. They are going to learn visual block-based programming languages. They're going to learn text-based programming languages, and they will get their hands on projects because they would have access to laptops and computers to do this all by themselves. On the final day of our project, that's on Saturday 20th of August, we are going to have them present at our Brace Conference. Brace Conference. Brace Conference is a meetup for kids and teenagers doing well in the field of technology. So these kids too will be able to stand in front of the world and show them what they've been able to learn in 1 week on Saturday. Yes, in 1 week they would be able to learn a lot, and we look forward to you joining us at Brace Conference to see what they can do. All right, so we are moving from today down to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We are going to be here for morning sessions, for afternoon sessions, for evening sessions. The kids have a lot of gifts. They're going with gifts, things they can, go with, things they can continue to learn with, a lot. And I want to make a big shout out to all our sponsors and everybody who has contributed to this project. Thank you so much. It's happening already. Yes, it's happening already. Thanks to God, thanks to you for making this happen. We are here and it's happening live. We are so grateful. Thank you for showing your support. Thank you for contributing towards this project. Thank you for donating towards this project. It has started already, and we know it's going to make waves in the lives of these kids. They are ready. Their expectations are high. I mean, some of them have been here since 7 a.m. Like, really, they really came early because they know the power and of the value of what they're going to be getting today. So these kids have been here. They're so hungry and thirsty to get empowered, and we are here to fill their hunger and their thirst.
Hello everybody, my name is Abule Mercy. I'm a trainer here at Rubies Technologies. I finished from the University of Ibadan. I studied computer science, and I'm teaching Scratch, I'm teaching App Inventor, and I'm teaching UI UX here at Rubies Code School. So today we have our Ijoko Project to celebrate our 5th year anniversary, and we'll be teaching the children a lot of things such as Python, Scratch programming language, web development, and so much more. And we promise to have so much education from all of what we're going to teach the children. Thank you.
My name is Abule Ijoko. I'm a trainer at Rubies Code School, and I'm also a data scientist. So concerning the Ijoko Project, I'll be taking the kids on web development and building sustainable projects through web. So my main goal for them is to be confident enough in building a sustainable website that solves a particular problem around their vicinity. But I'm going to start with the basics so they get to build a project of their choice. And I'm hopeful that I'm going to see the next Mark Zuckerberg. I miss them. Yes, thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Temiloluwa, and we're excited to be at Abule Ijoko for the Ijoko Project. So this project is organized by Rubies Technology to celebrate its 5th year anniversary. Rubies Technology is a social enterprise that trains kids and teenagers how to code. They are interested in impacting the life of these teenagers and making them know about coding and technology as young as possible. We've been doing this for the past 5 years, and we've trained over 3,000 kids. The goal is very simple: to catch them young, because coding is like the latest thing, the reigning thing in town. So we are always trying to inspire them, to make them know more about it. It's not just coding that makes up technology. We also inspire them by exposing them to digital skills, UI UX design, and a lot of things. So we are looking forward to doing more of this, and that's why we are at Abule Ijoko to train over 100 kids on basic computer skills. After doing a survey for a while, we noticed that many of these kids in this community are not exposed to technology, and our team decided to come here to celebrate its 5th anniversary, which happened officially on the 15th of June. But we are doing this from August 15th today through August 20th. So we would appreciate your support. How can you support us? By going to our social media, share what we do. We do more than this. We also do online trainings, private coding classes. We have kids within Nigeria and outside Nigeria that we have been training for the past 2 years. So we appreciate you. Register your kids and many more. Thank you so much.
Right, so it's been hours since we started in the morning. Registration, we started first with registration, and the kids had a lot of sessions introducing them to computers and a lot of things. So right about now we're on to the games time, and this games time is preparing the kids to form the spirit of team bonding, is helping their problem solving skills and also their creativity skills. So they are to build a castle with tiny spaghetti sticks and then top it up with a marshmallow. So the team with the highest building wins. So we have team A here, team B, and then team C. So the kids are really preparing towards that, and we can't wait to see who the winner is going to be. All right, so I have with me Keta. Is going to tell me what his team has been doing so far. All right, Keta.
Our team have been making a castle with marshmallows and spaghettis. So they've been trying their best on what to make.
All right, do you think your team is going to win?
Of course.
I like the spirit. Okay, let me leave Keta to complete what he's doing with his team. So go back and complete it. Thank you, Keta. Samuel from Team B is here, and Samuel is going to tell us what they've been doing. So Samuel, tell us what you've been doing.
We've been doing like a building.
Okay.
A building like using is it chewing-gum, that pink thing?
Marshmallow.
We are using it and
Spaghetti.
yes, and
All right, so do you believe your team is going to win? Why?
while trying our best.
Has your spaghetti fallen several times? Okay, let's see if your team wins. Thank you so much, Samuel. You can continue. Right here with me from Team C. She's going to tell us what they've been doing and if our team is ready to win, of course. All right, so Team Loluwa, what have you been doing?
We've been trying to build a castle with sticks of spaghetti and a marshmallow.
All right, so what do you think this is helping your team to learn?
Unity and trying to build things through coming together.
All right, unity. I love that. So do you think your team is going to win?
Yes, yes.
You're very sure? All right, let's see that. Thank you so much, Amy. Thank you for the smile. All right, so that's it from us right now. The kids have learned a lot and they are playing games. We still have so many things lined up for them before the end of today, and you just have to stay tuned to continue. The kids are ready. I'm ready too. We're excited. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned. Thank you.
My name is Olawale Kafayat. I am so happy to be here. Rubies Technology, thank you so much for bringing this to our community. We are so grateful. Today, I learned what computer is and the examples of computer, the inputs and output devices, and so on and so forth. We thank you so much for bringing something like this to our community. Thank you, Rubies Technology.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mrs. Olabisi Shofolahan. We are at Ruby Technology. There is a seminar going on for the children between the ages of 10 and 16 or 8 and 18. We will employ parents to please bring their children along because the computer training going on here has a lot of advantages for the children. This will enable your children to know how to run on the computer. We have several programs like Python, robotic science, artificial intelligence, and some other programs that are wonderfully creative, artistic for children growing up. So please bring your children around to encourage Rubies Technology to improve on their technology, because ICTC is very important to our children nowadays. Thank you very much.